Hey y'all, Scott Ferguson here. Things like that. Today, on Cooking with Fergy, we are doing summertime hamburgers. It's the 4th of July, folks. What better thing to do than cook hamburgers? And today, we are going to have a burger bonanza. We're going to be making Smashburgers. We're going to be making stuffed burgers. We're going to be making my gourmet bacon, onion, preserved burger, and then round it out with a sweet Kansas City pulled pork burger. Folks, if that sounds like something you might want to watch, stay tuned. Alright folks, well, here we go. Burger bonanza. First thing we got to do is get our gourmet burger going, because that meat needs to set, incorporate some of the flavors. So this one we're going to have ground round, ground beef, and ground sirloin. It's just an all-around kind of a steak burger. So let's get that going on. I'm going to use some of this 85-15 on the stuffed burger too. So we'll just take half of it right now. When I'm doing these burgers, I like to layer it. So the ground beef comes like this. So you break it like that, and you put the layers in, and you break it all back up. Make it back stringy again. When you do that, it helps incorporate the other kinds of meat. So we'll put in some more lean meats. And the ground sirloin. Okay, toss it together a little bit. Trying to incorporate some of those different kinds of meat together. Alright, rinse. Okay, all cleaned up. Now we're going to go with the minced garlic. I like the minced garlic. It's a nice little added flavor in there. You can put too much in. I put it between the layers. Montreal steak seasoning. Then we're going to go back to some more meat. Do a little cleanup here. Alright, so once again, just give it a little toss around in there. Rinse. Alright, and then back to the Montreal steak seasoning. Alright, now we'll incorporate some of that garlic throughout the mix. And always smell your food, you know, when you're seasoning stuff. See what it smells like. See if it needs a little something. That needs some more pepper. Alright. Alright, so now what we're going to do, we're going to cover that. We're going to put it to the side, let it sit for about a half an hour while we make and cook the other burgers. Stay tuned. Alright folks, we're back. So, if you got burgers, you gotta have bacon. Just the rules. So, we've got some of our best brand bacon here. And we're gonna get that on the cookie sheet. Thick cut. Alright. So, I've got the oven preheating at 350. We're going to put this bacon in, and 350 is kind of low. I might put it down to 300, we'll see. And just kind of cook this in the oven on the sheet pan, and just let it do its thing in there. It's a real nice way to just have bacon going on and not have to have it in your face and popping and making grease all over the kitchen. So, in the oven it goes. Alright, next, we're going to put together our meat for these Smashburgers. Now, I'm going to mix a fattier meat with a leaner meat. lean meat in there for a little bit more flavor. Fat has flavor. The lean meat has a little bit different flavor. Alright. So in this one, there's no garlic. It's just Montreal steak seasoning and pepper. The garlic needs time to cook in the burger. You know, you need to cook it that 7-8 minutes. These smash burgers are going to cook in like 4 minutes. So it's just not enough time for the garlic to cook. Alright. Stir to incorporate. This is my ice cream scooper. Heavy duty thing. It's great for ground meat. Okay, so we've got our second batch of meat put together. We're going to let it sit for a few minutes too. We're going to go light the grill, folks. Stay tuned. Alright, today's the first time I lit the whole grill. Let's see how she does. This side we're going to do the smash burgers on. We'll do the buns in the middle. We'll do the gourmet burgers over here. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got the grill lit. Time to make some patties. What I'd like to do, I like to make a meatloaf out of it. And I found that when I make the meatloaf, it's just easier to get equal proportions. Now, I'm just going to start in the middle. Half it. Half it. Half it. Now these are smash burgers, so we're going to go even smaller. Now we're going to be using the smash burgers for the stuffed burgers. So we're going to kind of do them together. We'll do the smash burgers, the stuffed burgers. We'll try those, then we'll go on to the other burgers. So, got our press here. Take one of these out just like that. Put that on there. Squeeze that down. So, that worked out well. Alright folks, let's check on this bacon. Looking good, looking good. Alright, back in the oven. Probably another 20 minutes. Down to 300. Alright, so the stuffed burger. I'll be honest, my cheese got a little bit warm. It grades better when it's cold. Sometimes when you're filming YouTube, stuff takes longer than you think. Alright, there we have it. Now, right in the middle. Little pepper. Alright, let's find a patty for the top. Oh, I like that one right there. Alright, so now you're going to work the edges. Push them in. Alright, so there you have it. The stuffed burger. Not too bad. Alright, now it's time for buns. Here we go brioche. Now, I butter my buns.
Just slightly.
Alright. Got our buns buttered. We got our stuffed burger ready to go. And we got our Smashburger. Let's head to the grill. Stay tuned. Alright y'all, we're here at the grill. Alright. I didn't tell you, I got my smoker box in here. Hickory smoke, chips. Just starting to smell it. Got that in the back. Got it going on. Alright, so we're going to put our stuffed burger on. And our Smashburger. Alright. Looking good. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and put some buns on. Alright, let's check on this Smashburger. Oh yeah. Now that's all seasoning from the grill. Oh yeah, that tastes good. Alright folks, going to get the cheese. Give our buns a look-see. Oh, they're coming along good. Oh yeah. Alright, we're going to go ahead and flip this stuffed burger. Alright, there we have it folks. Smashburger is done. Buns are done. Oh yeah. Some good looking buns. Stay tuned. Alright, so that side was the thinner side, the top side. We'll just let that cook until that melts all the way down. Stay tuned. Looking good. Let's go ahead and pull that. Alright guys, let's plate these burgers. I got some of my greenhouse grown butter lettuce on my brioche buns. Alright. We gotta get us a slice of tomato. Right out of the middle. And this is gonna be for our Smashburger. this is just a basic burger. Just your good old-fashioned smash burger. Okay, my neighbor Jack is here, and he's going to try these burgers with us. All right, Jack.
All right, cool.
Let's see what we think about just a good old-fashioned smash burger. Nothing fancy.
Nothing fancy, very good.
Very good, tender. You can taste the meat. Very thin patty.
Very good.
Didn't add any salt to it.
It's very good.
Man. Alright. Now I'm gonna plate up this stuffed burger, y'all. Okay guys, so the smash burger rocked. So now we're gonna do the stuffed burger. This thing turned out to be a monster. But back to our hydroponic lettuce. Tomato. This half-pound. This one's going to get a couple of pickles. I'm going to put those off to the side, let them drain a second. And we're going with the bacon. Alright folks. This one's going to get a sauce. We're going to go with mayo and a little chow chow. Drain it out. Alright. Alright, just because it's the 4th of July, and I'm trying to go big and bold, I'm going to go with another piece of lettuce on there and top that up. Alright folks, let's see what this cheese looks like when we cut her in half. Oh yeah, it's a good looking burger folks. Alright Jack, let's dive in.
All right. Dive in this.
Oh man, that's a lot of burger.
Yes, it is.
But boy, howdy.
It's very good, very good.
Man, I don't know if I could have expected it to come out any better than stuffed burger.
It's very good. Bacon's very good.
You can taste the cheese in the middle, the Havarti.
Very good.
The dill pickles, the bacon, everything comes through.
Oh yeah.
Man, man, oh man.
Very, 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 very good.
I can't believe I got 2 more to go. Well, y'all folks, hang in there. It may take a few minutes. It'll be a flash for you, but it might be 30 minutes for me. Y'all stay tuned. Scott Ferguson, things like that, cooking with Fergy, summertime burgers. Be back shortly.